The Evergrande crisis, which occurred due to the Chinese property giant experiencing liquidity problems, is considered to have an effect on global economic conditions. Reporting from CNBC, in the midst of the threat of expanding the impact, many believe that the Chinese government will interfere in the problem-solving process before the Evergrande crisis has an impact on the banking system. However, the question this time is how and when the Chinese government will control the situation and announce plans to restructure the Evergrande Group. Not a few investors are also pessimistic that the Chinese government will rescue Evergrande. Everyone expects the government to come up with a good resolution, because Evergrande is a systemically important company, said Jimmy Chang, Rockefeller Global Family Office Chief Investment Officer. Overall, Evergrande has obligations in the form of debt of $300 billion United States dollars or around Rp. 4,260 trillion, exchange rate of Rp. 14,200. As of the end of the week, the total debt due is estimated to be more than 100 million United States dollars or around Rp. 1.4 trillion. There is a risk of contagion if the Evergrande problem in China is not resolved. I think there will be a state-owned company with good financial condition that will take over Evergrande Group, he said. Some believe that the Evergrande crisis will not lead to a financial crisis, such as the Lehman Brothers crisis in 2008. However, the risk that Evergrande will cause new turmoil in the economy is very likely. Chang assessed that the Chinese government needed to act quickly because the Evergrande crisis had an impact on sentiment, having previously not been considered a problem by investors in the global market. Forecasts regarding Evergrande's impact on global markets are possible. This liquidity problem, real estate is a very important business for the Chinese economy as well as the financial capabilities of many Chinese families. Home ownership in China is more than 90%. Many people in China buy apartments as an investment, so if this is not addressed soon it will give a nightmare. The fact that China's economy is so large makes the crisis due to the liquidity problems experienced by Evergrande very likely to have an impact on the world economy. If China has serious problems caused by Evergrande, then the whole world will be affected, Chang said.